They claim that President Ruto's moves are not development but political BR, meant for, that it's meant to confuse the voters. The opposition is now using the Malava by-election as a warning shot before 2027. They've united behind DAPK's Seth Panyako after DCP candidate Edgar Pusiega dropped out to support Panyako. And this unity, they say it's a proof that Western Kenya has finally come together under one agenda and one goal: to teach President Ruto a lesson. Wanasema wazi kwamba tutamuonyesha kuwa Mlembe Nation si ya kudharauliwa tena. One speaker declared as the crowd was very happy. And this is a big political moment.